was always open to working in any kind of medium, whether it's web series or short films or television in finite series, which I've also done. It was more about, I mean, always my work has been more about the content and the story and director versus the medium. I truly believe that if your story is the hero, whether it's a short film or a feature or a TV show or a web series, it will reach people, and as an actor, that's all you want. You want to reach audiences. So we were very lucky because we had a bound script. Everything, all the 13 episodes were written, and Victor was very clear about the kind of nuances he wanted in each character, not just mine, in everybody's character. And we did a lot of readings and workshops, and I think during that time Victor really honed us all and built our characters at that time. So by the time we were on set, we were all very clear कि हमें क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, and by then it was very quick because Victor we knew what we were doing, and if by chance, which always happens, of course, something is going in a little off direction or something, of course he was there to tell us, no, this is what I want or whatever it is. When I found out that Rajat is part of the show, Gaurav Chopra, Molly, the girl who plays Molly Mohini, even Nakul, I mean, all these guys, they're fantastic actors. I met them all during the readings. Having a cast like this where each person is so perfect for their part, I think is another blessing. And I think it's fantastic that they were able to get such a good, talented cast, because it really, like, now that I've seen the episodes and worked with all the actors, of course, I feel it's really, elevated the show and the story in a way that, you never know. My favorite character from the script level was Johnny. I love Johnny. I think I had told Victor also after reading the script the first time that, listen, if I was a guy, I would want to play Johnny. The one scene that comes first to my mind is actually, it's already in one of the episodes. It's where Molly slaps Jeet. Mohini, if you meet her, she's like, she can't slap someone. Like, if you meet her, she's just, you can't imagine her doing that. All of us were like, we started clapping because he was so shocked. उसने मतलब ऐसे उसको मारा थप्पड़. So that was one scene that I won't forget. I don't think anybody will forget that because we had a good laugh. It was fantastic. It's actually one of the most positive things. I see so many actors, so many filmmakers, so many people, whether they're, well known or whether they're new or whether they're like me, on my level or whatever it is, who are doing such good work. So I think that it's just going to motivate people even more because everyone is watching everything. I think it's a very positive sign that so many people are now going this route, because I think this is what is the most relevant platform at this time. I would like to do everything. I think I'm very greedy as an actor. If anything comes my way, which I find is an interesting story, which kind of evokes something in me when I'm reading it, or when I get the opportunity to audition for something which I find, wow, I really want to be part of this. Again, whether it's a 9-minute short film or whether it's a 120-minute feature film or a seasonal web series or anything, it's more about the content and the story which really inspires me, particularly as an actor. I think I would love to do like a really dark thriller. That's one thing that I have not done till now. I think I would love to play a part in an antagonist part, or maybe not the antagonist, but I would love to be part of a thriller of that genre. Censorship is a very tricky thing because today everything is available on YouTube. The things that are available on the internet and the things that we're trying to, like when I go see a film, honestly, as an audience, if I go see a film and there are certain words that are, you know, that are censored, but you can see what the person is saying, or they've been dubbed over. You know, it kind of, for me personally, it takes away from the experience because I know what the guy is saying, and I'm sure that, you know, there must be, I'm sure that there is a way that we can, I mean, segregate the audiences or whatever it is. Like if a children's film is a children's film, now I've done a film like, you know, like a Love Games or a Mastram, which was which were both adult films. They were R-rated films and they were for a certain type of audience. For all updates on web entertainment, log on to thedigitalhash.com.